Hello and welcome to today's webinar on OdorKlenz-Air. Today we're going to cover several OdorKlenz products, but we will be focusing on the OdorKlenz-Air products and technology. Today's agenda will include what the product is and the technology behind it, the effectiveness of the product, and we'll be sharing several case studies as we go throughout the presentation. We're going to talk about the safety benefits of the product, as well as revenue generation on the product. The webinar today will last approximately 30 minutes, and there will be opportunities for you to submit questions through the chat feature. The technology behind the OdorKlenz products originated from next-generation military decontamination research and development. The products, as they were being developed, the researchers really understood that these products were very effective at breaking down very toxic and deadly chemicals such as mustard agent, VX gas, and several things that are used for negative purposes. And this technology that it is based upon is a patented process. It is a earth mineral based technology, so the materials are actually very safe. And what's unique about them is that earth minerals traditionally don't have a lot of chemical reactivity or chemical activity, but they're very safe materials. Well, what we've done is we've engineered them in a way that makes them very effective towards a wide variety of chemicals. They have enhanced chemical reactivity because of the large surface areas of these materials, and the materials are very versatile. They can be used in a whole host of forms, whether that's powders, granules, or added into liquids to make suspensions. It makes them very environmentally friendly with the basis of them being earth minerals, and these materials have been tested very rigorously for safety and validation of use in the field. This image that I have here is what a traditional metal oxide would look like, and as you can see, they're actually very regular shaped, very cubic, very organized materials. The materials that Timolon makes with our patented processes are actually very irregular, and the particle size is actually larger than traditional metal oxides. The reason this is beneficial is chemistry, and this is a bit of an oversimplification, but chemistry likes to occur on corners and edges with their uncoordinated ions. And with very regular and rigid structures with lower surface area, you just don't have very many corners and edges. With the patented technology that Timolon has in our metal oxides, they're actually able to take advantage of the entire surface area of the material for chemical reactivity. I kind of like to equate this from an analogy standpoint is if we had a toxic chemical spill and we needed to soak it up, would you rather use an unpopped popcorn kernel or a popped piece of popcorn? Well, you would want to use the popped piece of popcorn because all of that internal surface area has been exposed. It has been popped and made that surface available to soak up and contain chemicals. And that's what we're doing really with all of our OdorKlenz products, is utilizing a high surface area material to take advantage of all its chemical reactive sites for them to act upon chemicals, pollutants, and odors. The first product that really came out of this metal oxide technology was called FastAct, and this is a product that's been out for several years, and it was designed and it is used for toxic industrial chemical neutralization, mitigation, and chemical warfare agent neutralization. And a few years ago, it was launched originally into the first responder and HazMat markets. And then as the product was being used, an event happened, a very unfortunate event, being Hurricane Katrina, and this product was utilized down there, which at first it was thought to be going to be going down there to mitigate a lot of toxic chemical spills and chemical cleanup. But the biggest concern on folks down there, their biggest concern was actually the odors in these enclosed spaces, and they were asking us, will this technology work on the odors? Well, yes, odors are chemicals, fundamentally. We may not be neutralizing a chemical warfare agent, but we can utilize this technology to knock down these odors, mitigate it, and make the environments, safer with reduced with reduced chemical concentration. And that really led to a whole host of indoor air quality products that we're going to be talking about today, from laundry additives to spill containment, source treatments, subfloor treatment kits, and of course the OdorKlenz-Air cartridge, which all these products together are what we're here to talk about, which is odors that are disrupting the quality of life or day-to-day business of our customers. We obviously want to talk about, not just mitigating those odors, but the environmental safety impacts of those odors, and how can we help make that situation a lot better. And the solution to that is let's take this earth mineral technology and let's deploy it in something that's very easy to use in the disaster restoration industry, such as a cartridge. And we're going to put that into equipment that we already utilize